At Veeam, we are redefining data resilience for the modern enterprise. While we are recognized for our backup solutions and VMware integrations, Veeam is much more than that. The Veeam Data Platform offers a comprehensive solution that combines data protection, observability, orchestration, AI, and cyber resilience, all supported by secure storage capabilities. Organizations today face the dual challenge of managing data security and ensuring flexibility as they evolve. Veeam empowers businesses to meet these challenges head-on, providing a robust framework for data resilience that adapts to their needs. Veeam is more. It's cyber resilience. Our advanced cyber threat protection and detection capabilities provide businesses with the defense they trust and the recovery they rely on, ensuring comprehensive security against evolving attacks. Veeam is more. It's data portability. With Veeam, you have the right to move your data and the power to choose your environment. Our expanded hypervisor support enables seamless transitions, allowing you to stay in control of your digital transformation. Veeam is more. It's secure cloud storage. Our secure, fully managed Veeam Data Cloud Vault on Azure eliminates the headaches of infrastructure management, ensuring your data is safe and costs are predictable. Veeam is more. It's hybrid cloud. Veeam's native data protection is tailored for specific environments, all under a single, easy-to-manage platform and license that never boxes you in. Choose Veeam for unmatched data resilience, proactive cyber defense, and secure cloud storage. No matter the challenge, Veeam will ensure you get back to business stronger than before. Veeam is more. Transform your data strategy with us today.